987 Zebra Ocean. Question. 987 Zebra Adam Ocean on a white Kia Optima.
Not a right.
CFS received. CFS comments added.
We're 1024.
Adam 28.
57,003. Boy David 37 John DVD 37J BW.
CFS comments added. CFS comments added.
Yeah, I'm 25 later. We're still rolling.
25.
$25 on that shuttle.
47, we just passed the 140. Looks like we'll come to a stop on the right shoulder just before the 140 and 630.
CFS comments added.
Report.
Evening. Alright, if you take police, so the reason I'm stopping you, fail to maintain your lane, alright? Turn the car off for me. What took you so long to pull over? Huh? What do you mean? Yeah. Westbound, coming up to the 1.
What's the traffic?
Traffic's like right now. Coming up to the 1B.
CFS comments added.
630 westbound, coming up to traffic.
Copy Central.
CFS comments added.
How many did I cut?
One time, blackmail. He's wiggling out of traffic.
CFS comments added.
We all passed him in the 2B. Traffic's still late.
CFS comments added.
Ready again?
White Kia Optima 987 Zebra Adam.
CFS comments added.
We are coming up to Woodrow.
CFS comments added.
Coming up to Fairport.
CFS comments added.
Speed and traffic.
109, traffic can be medium right now.
CFS comments added.
We are passing the 3B. It's going to be in the number 1 lane.
CFS comments added. CFS comments added.
Coming up to that part now.
CFS comments
Now
added.
coming up to University.
CFS comments added.
We're taking the University. We're looking on University.
CFS comments added.
2-4, copy, westbound University.
We are near St. Vincent.
CFS comments added. CFS
Still north on
comments
University,
added.
passing Park Plaza Mall. Traffic's light.
C.
CFS comments added.
Alright, great. Red light.
CFS comments added.
Traffic is clear. We're still on New University, coming up to
CFS comments added.
we're north on University, coming up to Cantrell.
2-4.
CFS comments added.
We're now going east on Cantrell.
2-4, copy, eastbound Cantrell.
Passing Kroger's.
CFS comments added.
Traffic is light. We are at 90 right now.
CFS comments added.
East 90, light traffic.
Unit 890 joint call.
Traffic.
CFS comments added.
We're now east passing Edge Hill.
CFS comments added.
He's in the opposite lane of travel.
CFS
Copy,
comments
opposite lane
added.
of travel.
Yeah, take the downtown lake.
CFS comments added.
10-9.
Out of the 9, you gotta take the downtown lake.
Just keep me updated on Cross Street. I'm on 630 now, parallel with you guys.
They're going down Cantrell Hill now.
Still eastbound on Cantrell, passing City Hill.
CFS comments added.
91, set up spikes right there, O'Hare.
I'm trying to get to
CFS comments added.
There's some good cover right there at the downtown area.
CFS comments added.
We're still eastbound, passing Riverfront.
Eastbound, passing Riverfront.
CFS comments added.
It's Friday night, and we're heading toward downtown.
Alright, stand by for TBI.
CFS comments added. CFS comments added.
TBI.
CMS
Roll over
comments.
ejection. Start at 10:15.
What's your 20?
We're gonna be at the looks like a private
CFS
club.
comments added.
Gonna be the gentleman club, private club.
It's an 1801 club near the I'll be near 1836.
Alright, we got ejection. Alright, be advised, he's been ejected. Hey!
10-4 copy, driver ejected.
You need to cross street.
We're at the 1836 Gentleman Club.
Next to Dillard's Corporate.
It's right down the street from the fence before. Yeah, I'm almost there.
He's right here.
1097.
There's only one him, just him.
919.
You're out of bounds, all right. 1097.
He's the only one in here.
He's the only one?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay?
I'm good. Alright. But this ain't good. Let me stop my camera.